In the cold silence of deep space, drifting more than 2.5 million light-years away, lies a titanic force of gravity and light. A swirling storm of stars, gas, and dark matter. A monster with a calm face. This is Andromeda. Once thought to be just a faint blur in the sky, a distant smudge through a telescope, Andromeda is no mere speck. It is our closest galactic neighbor, a spiral galaxy so vast, so powerful, that it consumes everything in its path. This is a story of hunger, of a galaxy devouring its smaller neighbors. This is the story of galactic cannibalism. The earliest recorded mention of Andromeda dates back over 1,000 years. But humans had seen it long before then, with nothing but the naked eye. A faint glow, a whisper in the sky. It wasn't until the 20th century that we realized the unthinkable, that this faint smudge wasn't a cloud or a cluster of stars in our galaxy. It was an entire galaxy of its own. Billions of stars, billions of worlds, and in its quiet majesty, Andromeda hides a dark appetite. Galaxies are not peaceful islands. They grow, they collide, they consume. And Andromeda? It's one of the largest spiral galaxies in the known universe. But how did it become so massive? The answer is violence. Cosmic violence. Over billions of years, Andromeda has eaten its neighbors. Dwarf galaxies orbiting too close get torn apart. Their stars ripped from their homes and absorbed into the giant's spiral arms. Each collision leaves scars, stellar streams, ribbons of stars that once belonged to another galaxy, now stretched across space, lost in Andromeda's gravity. And it's still happening. Meet M32, a tiny elliptical galaxy caught in a dangerous embrace with Andromeda. For centuries, it was assumed to be harmless, a mere companion. But new evidence suggests something darker. M32 may be the core of a once larger galaxy, one that Andromeda tore to pieces. What's left is just the dense heart. The rest devoured. Then there's M110, another satellite galaxy. Shredded, slowly pulled apart by Andromeda's tidal forces. And there's more. Scientists have identified at least 13 satellite galaxies around Andromeda. But those are just the ones that survived long enough to be named. Some were consumed so completely, they vanished without a trace. By examining the structure of Andromeda's halo, the vast cloud of stars and dark matter surrounding it, astronomers have found the fingerprints of ancient feasts. Faint streams of stars, moving in patterns inconsistent with native-born stars. These are immigrants, survivors of galaxies long gone. Using supercomputers, we can now rewind the cosmic clock. Simulations reveal that Andromeda has likely consumed dozens of galaxies over billions of years. And it's not done yet. In a twist of irony, the hunter will become the hunted. Andromeda is heading straight for us. The Milky Way and Andromeda, two massive spiral galaxies, are locked in a gravitational dance. In about 4 billion years, they will collide. Not like cars on a highway, but like clouds merging in the sky. Stars won't smash into each other. There's too much space between them. But the gravity will tear both galaxies apart. And over the course of billions of years, they will form a new, larger galaxy. Astronomers call it Milkomeda. Where will Earth be when this happens? Our sun will still exist, but it will be nearing the end of its life. Life on Earth? It may be gone, or it may have spread far beyond. If humanity survives that long, we may watch the sky change, see Andromeda grow larger every night, until it fills the heavens. Imagine looking up and seeing a galaxy so vast it stretches from horizon to horizon. That day will come. Galactic cannibalism is not unique. It is the way of the universe. It's how galaxies grow. Even our Milky Way has its own victims. The Sagittarius dwarf galaxy is being eaten as we speak. But Andromeda is special. It is massive, ancient, and restless. It will play a central role in shaping the next chapter of our cosmic neighborhood. It is not just a galaxy. It is a force of nature. As we gaze into the night sky, remember this. The universe is not still. It moves. It fights. It feeds. And in the end, nothing stays untouched. Not even galaxies. This is the story of Andromeda, the devourer, the future, the mirror of our own fate.